Okay. So now we'll start with buyback of shares. Buyback of shares. What is my buyback of shares? No? What is my buyback of shares? Buying back the shares which is already issued is called buyback of shares. Yes or no? Clear?
Yes,
Everybody,
Yes, sir.
listen. When company having huge surplus, it needs to decide any one of the following: buyback, bonus issue, declaration of dividend. Usually when companies are having a huge surplus, they will either go and buy back the shares, or they will issue the bonus shares, or they will declare in the form of dividend. They will declare in the form of
dividend.
dividend. Are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so now we are going with this topic only, buyback. In India, the moment you bought back these shares, you can't have the shares in a balance sheet. It needs to be cancelled either then and there or before the end of the financial year. I can't have an investment in my own shares or in my own debenture. Are you getting connected with me? In foreign countries, yes, that is possible. I can have an investment with my own shares or in own debenture. But in India, once you bought back the shares, either that needs to be cancelled immediately, okay, or before the end of the financial year, Now, shall I go to the next issue? Okay. This is there in the Companies Act only. Approval limit. Up to 25% of paid up capital plus free reserves. Up to, or of course you can write here, paid up capital plus free reserve. Up to 10% of paid up capital and free reserve. If you want to buy back till or to the extent of 10%, board of directors needs to give the approval. Are you getting under with me? In the last subject would have been studied all those things. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then if you want to buy back 25% of paid up capital and free reserves, who has to approve? Hello? Tell me, yeah.
Shareholders in the
Shareholders needs to approve in the annual general meeting. This is board of directors, BOD, here shareholders. Is it possible to buy back more than 25%? Is it possible to buy back more than 25% of paid up capital and free reserves?
No, sir.
Many people think that it is not possible, but it is possible. Prior approval of central government plus special resolution in AGM shareholders. If these two things are possible, then it is possible. Otherwise, it is not possible. Clear? You must get prior approval of central government plus you must pass the resolution in the general meeting. That's called shareholders approval. Pakka?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you read the Barat, you can understand this. Now, approval limit till 10% board of directors, then 25% shareholders. is there any limit? Is there any limit of shares or limit the buyback? Is there any limit in the buyback, that is in the number of shares? Listen, I have, or what is the maximum limit which I can buy back? I can put in the different way if you want, because my examination questions are going to be based on this. Maximum number of shares can buy back. I have a huge surplus with me. Can I go and buy back entire shares which is outstanding? Tell me, yeah?
No, sir.
No, there is a limit. You can buy back least of the following. Examination question is the base பண்ணி தான் இருக்கும். Least of the following. There are 3 different tests is there. One is called shares outstanding test. Shares outstanding test. Then share outstanding test. Then resource test. Debt and equity test. Shares outstanding test, resource test, then debt equity test. So shares outstanding test, resource test, debt equity test. There are 3 tests are there. Out of these 3 tests, whatever the least number or least number of shares which comes, that will be selected. That's the maximum number of shares which you can buy back. This formula is very simple. Number of shares outstanding into percentage, please. Number of shares outstanding into
25%.
எவ்வளவுமா?
25.
25%. So if you have 1 lakh shares outstanding, you can buy back only 25,000 shares. You can buy back only 25,000 shares. Even though you have a huge surplus, you can't buy back entire shares. Okay. So only 25% of shares you can buy back. Resource test. Even though you have a crores of money with you, you can't use entire resources for the buyback. This one, shareholders fund into 25%. Shareholders fund into 25% which you can withdraw. My dear friends, tell me, as per test number 1, the result is in number of shares or in amount? As per
Number of
test
shares.
number of shares. If you want to take the least number out of these 3 tests, then the result which comes in all those 3 tests should be uniform, either in number or an amount. Correct?
Number.
இல்ல ஏதா ஒண்ணுல இருக்கணும்.
Yes,
ஒண்ணு
sir.
நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஷேர்ஸ் இருக்கணும் இல்ல அமௌண்ட்ல இருக்கணும். அப்பதானே இது ரெண்டையும் நான் கம்பேர் பண்ண முடியும். ஒரு நம்பர்
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. ஆமா sir.
இங்க உங்களுக்கு எதுல இருக்கு? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டெஸ்ட்ல
Number of shares.
அப்ப செகண்ட் டெஸ்ட் எய்தர் நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஷேர்ஸ்க்கு மாத்தணும் இல்லனா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டெஸ்ட்
ஃபண்டுக்கு
அமௌண்ட்க்கு மாத்தணும். நமக்கு வந்து நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஷேர்ஸ் எவ்வளவுதான் மேக்ஸிமம் பைபேக் பண்ணுங்கறத क्वेश्चन. அப்ப எல்லா டெஸ்ட்டுமே நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஷேர்ஸ்ல வச்சிட்டா ஈஸியா இருக்குமா?
Yes, sir.
Because of that only I am going to write this denominator. The formula வந்து எதுக்கு எழுதுறேன்னா இது நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஷேர்ஸ் கன்வர்ட் பண்றதுக்காக தான் எழுதுறேன். இல்லனா ரிசோர்ஸ் டெஸ்ட்னோட ஃபார்முலா முடிஞ்சது.
Yes, sir.
புரியுதா?
Yes, sir.
Divided by buyback price. If I go and divide by buyback price, I'll be getting I will be converting the amount into number of shares.
Yes, sir.
So in the buyback price, எதுக்கு எழுதுறங்கிறத புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். You must understand why I have written buyback price as a denominator. Since result number 1 is the number of shares, result number 2 is an amount. I have to convert either number of shares into amount or amount into number of shares. I ultimately want every result in the number of shares. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to convert the test number 2, which is there presently, which is there in amount. I'll be converting into number of shares. Pakka?
Yes,
For
sir.
that purpose, I am writing this buyback price. Clear?
Clear, sir.
In the test note formula என்னன்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா shareholders fund into 25% முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. அவ்வளவுதான் ஃபார்முலா. எதுக்காக buyback price எழுதிருக்கேன்னா I have to convert. I'm converting from amount to number of shares. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Here, shareholders fund is equal to share capital plus reserves and surplus. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Reserves and surplus equal to only free resource, except specific reserve. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Like fixed reserves and all should not be there, except revaluation reserve, debenture redemption reserve, export profit reserve. இது எல்லாமே வந்து specific reserves ஆமா
Yes, sir.
எடுத்துக்கூடாது. Free reservesனா general reserve, reserves and surplus, then security premium, P&L. Security premium will be considered. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Pakka.
Okay, sir.
So share capital plus reserves and surplus total பண்ணுங்க, பண்ணிட்டு 25% போடுங்க. அது உங்களுக்கு அமௌண்ட்ல கிடைக்கும். டிவைடட் பை பைபேக் பிரைஸ் போட்டீங்கன்னா இந்த டெஸ்ட் முடிஞ்சது. Clear அப்பா?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will be having one example for these two tests. Third test I will be taking separately. 1 lakh shares, share capital 1 lakh shares at 10 lakhs. Reserves and surplus, general reserve 2 lakhs, P&L 1 lakh, security premium 2 lakh, revaluation reserve 5 lakh, DRR 3 lakhs. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now test number 1 போடலாமா?
Yes, sir.
Number of shares outstanding into 25%. So 1 lakhs into 25%. Correct?
Yes, sir.
$10 lakh plus, can I take general reserve?
Yes, sir.
Can I take P&L?
Yes, sir.
Can I take security premium?
Yes, sir.
Can I take revaluation reserve?
No.
Can I take DRR?
No, sir.
So these are not eligible. These are not free resource. Am I right? Tell me the total amount. 15 lakhs
That's
into 25%. Divided by buyback price, let us assume 50. 15 lakh into 25%. எவ்வளவு வருது? 15 lakhs into
7,500.
7,500. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So have I understood test number 1 and test number 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here test number 2 also, I hope now you would have been understood with the problem. Now let me go to debt equity test. Very, very important test. Majority of the people We'll have a doubt on this last test only, not with first test and second test. Can you please tell me the debt equity ratio formula?
Equity, equity.
Is there any minimum limit, etc.?
2:1.
2:1. Two is to 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, just a minute. So, can you please tell me about third test? The minimum debt equity ratio should be 2:1. Do you agree with me? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
So, it means that if you have a share capital of 1 lakh, you can have a debt of 2 lakhs. So, 2:1. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
If you have debt equity ratio as 3:1, is it fine or risky?
Little risky, sir.
Risky, because there will be issues with repayment. உன்னோட கெப்பாசிட்டிக்கு மேல லோன் வாங்கியிருந்தா திருப்பி தரத்துக்கு பிரச்சனையாகும். கரெக்டாமா?
Yes, sir.
So debt equity ratio minimum 2:1. See, debt equity ratio 1:1. Happy, not happy?
Happy, sir.
No problem, bank will give you loan. If debt equity ratio 3:1, bank will not give the loan. This is a primary concept about debt equity ratio. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Say. If you go with third test, test number 3, debt equity ratio. Debt equity ratio. Debt equity ratio. Listen. After buyback, your debt equity ratio should be, after buyback, your debt equity ratio should be minimum, that is 2:1. Correct, Appa?
Sir.
In street material or some other author book, they have been used one equation for this particular test. Clear? But what we are going to do, we are not going to use equation, we are going to use the different strategy. Shall I?
Sir.
Tell me one thing. Before buyback, after buyback, out of debt and equity, one will be constant, another will be variable. Which one will be constant before buyback as well as after buyback?
Debt will be constant.
Debt will be
Constant.
equal to same debt after buyback also. Clear? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Whereas equity before buyback will be the different number, after buyback you will have a different number, that will not be same. So can I say debt is a constant, equity is a variable? Sir, how equity will get vary, you know very well. For the purpose of buyback, we'll be taking reserves and surplus. We'll be using reserves and surplus. Reserves and surplus is parked under equity only. Clear, Amma?
Sir.
Shall I go to the next issue?
Yes, sir.
So what I'm going to do, can I start with one story now?
Yes,
After
sir.
knowing this concept, you know very well about your banking transaction. If you have savings bank account with State Bank of India, in many places there is a concept called minimum balance, etc.
Sir.
Correct? Huh? You will assume that available balance in your account is 3,000 rupee. Let assume the minimum balance which is supposed to be maintained, is 1,000. So can you please tell me the maximum amount which you can withdraw?
2,000.
2,000.
2,000 rupees. Do you have any doubt in this? No.
Sir.
No, sir.
So assume that Brookfield Small also is going to be open. I think they are going to open from 8th June. We are taking an assumption that Spice Cinemas, all those cinemas are opening, but nobody will be going to movie at this particular time. But we'll take an assumption we're going to movie after the issues settle down. You go to movie. Movie போகும்போது we have two options. We are planning to go to movie. When we go to movie, there is a two possibility. You can go to movie on your own bike or car, or you can go to movie in Ola, Uber, auto or taxi. Correct?
Own by.
There is a two-way. See, available balance is 3,000 rupees. You decide to go to movie in the Spice Cinemas or some theater. Minimum balance is 1,000 rupees are supposed to maintain your account. So maximum amount which you can withdraw is 2,000 rupees. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, when you're going to movie, there is a two-way or two possibilities are there. One possibility you can go to movie in your own vehicle. Correct? Appa?
Yes, sir.
The another possibility that you can go to movie in Ola Uber vehicle.
First option.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Everybody. Okay. Saleh. Tell me, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you go by your own vehicle, ensure or assume that you have enough fuel also in your vehicle. Okay. அப்ப நீங்க இருக்கிற அந்த 2000 rupees-உம் entertainment-ல செலவு பண்ணலாமா?
Yes, sir.
But if you going with Ola or Uber, அங்க போய் இறங்கிட்டீங்க மூவி பார்த்துட்டு திரும்பி போகணும். செகண்ட் ஷோ முடிச்சுட்டு போகணும். 12 மணி 2 மணிக்கு போகணும். அப்போ பஸ் இருக்காது, நடந்து போக முடியாது. You must go with Ola Uber only. Can you use entire 2000 rupees for entertainment, or this 2000 rupees should be used for entertainment plus traveling?
Entertainment plus travel.
Entertainment plus
Travel.
Whereas the first scenario, you can use entire 2000 rupee only for entertainment because you're going with your own vehicle. Correct?
Yes, sir.
In Companies Act, there is a small section or there is a concept whenever preferences are getting redeemed or whenever buyback of shares are there, if the redemption of preferences or buyback of shares are happening out of reserves, you have to transfer one portion of the money to dash account. Dash account. If redemption of preferences or buyback of shares out of fresh issue of capital, out of fresh issue of capital, out of reserve, or problem is silent. So out of fresh issue of capital, out of reserves. ஃபண்டு வந்து பைபேக் பண்றதுக்கான ஃபண்டு ரெண்டு சோர்சஸ் இருக்கு. புதுசா கேபிட்டல் இஷ்யூ பண்ணிருக்க அந்த காசு எடுத்து பைபேக் பண்ணலாம், இல்லைன்னா லாஸ்ட் இயர் அதுக்கு முன்னாடி இருந்த ப்ராஃபிட் எடுத்து பைபேக் பண்ணலாம். கரெக்டாப்பா?
Yes, sir.
ஸோ இந்த அவுட் ஆஃப் ஃப்ரெஷ் இஷ்யூ ஆஃப் கேபிட்டல்னா ஓன் ஃபண்டு மாதிரி. கரெக்டா?
Yes, sir.
ஸோ ஓன் வெஹிக்கிள்ல போற மாதிரி. உங்களுக்கு அவுட் ஆஃப் ரிசர்வ்ஸ்னா ரெண்டட் வெஹிக்கிள்ல போற மாதிரி. இஸ் இட் கிளியர்?
Yes, sir.
There is no special requirement. There is special requirement. There is the special கிடைக்காது. அப்ப இங்க இருக்கிற full amount entire 2000 rupees can be used entertainment.
Yes, sir.
இங்க you can't use entire 2000 rupees for entertainment.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
இங்க என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா you have to transfer என்னது transfer face value of bought back shares transfer to the extent of face value of bought back shares to dash account.
Capital.
Capital reduction.
Capital redemption reserve account. This capital redemption reserve can be used only for the purpose of bonuses. Correct, Appa?
Yes, sir.
So have you understood this story? ப்ராப்ளம்ல வந்து ரிசர்வ்ஸ்ல இருந்து கொடுத்துருக்கான்னு சொன்னாலும் சரி, ரிசர்வ்ஸ்ல இருந்து கொடுக்கலன்னு சொல்லினாலும் சரி, அந்த இன்ஃபர்மேஷனை கொடுக்கலனாலும் சரி, யூ ஆர் சப்போஸ் டு ஃபாலோ திஸ் அப்ரோச். ப்ராப்ளம்ல வந்து பைபேக் வந்து அவுட் ஆஃப் ஃப்ரெஷ் இஷ்யூ ஆஃப் கேபிட்டல், ஃப்ரெஷ் இஷ்யூ பண்ண அந்த ஃபண்டை எடுத்தா பைபேக் பண்றேன் அப்படின்னா யூ கேன் கோ டைரக்ட்லி, நோ நீட் டு ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் டு சிஆர்ஆர் அக்கௌண்ட். Otherwise, you have to transfer to CRR account. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
So now come to this place. Debt divided by equity.
Yes, sir.
Formula debt by equity. After you buy back, debt to equity ratio should be 2:1.
Yes, sir.
So either debt to on the before buyback as well as after buyback will be constant same. Equity, I told you that it may not be constant.
Sir.
Why it may not be constant? You know very well. You are taking இதுக்கு transfer பண்ணனும் அப்படினு போச்சுனா reserves and surplus ல இருந்து அதை எடுத்தாகணும். General reserve ல இருந்து CRR transfer பண்ணனும். Everyone.
Yes, sir.
General reserves are sitting at equity only. இந்த இடத்துல equity அப்படினு சொல்லும்போது share capital plus free reserves. Yes or no, Papa?
Sir.
So இதுல இருந்து CRR க்கு ஒரு அமௌண்ட் போச்சுனா கம்மி ஆகுதா?
Yes, sir.
அப்பனா debt equity ratio match ஆகாம போய்டுமா?
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason we are going to do it in the different way. Shall I go to the different way?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. The formula is alphabet A. As I discussed with you, out of debt and equity, debt is a constant, equity is a variable. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please. அப்ப கான்ஸ்டன்ட் வச்சுக்கிட்டு நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். டெப்ட்ங்கிறது கான்ஸ்டன்டா இருக்க போகுது before buyback as well as after buyback. So அப்ப இந்த டெப்ட்க்கு என்ன ஈக்விட்டி இருக்கு, அதே மாதிரி ஆஃப்டர் பைபேக் டெப்ட் இஸ் கோயிங் டு பி சேம். வாட் ஷுட் பி ஈக்விட்டின்னு சொல்லி கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமாப்பா?
Sir.
எவ்ரிபடி இந்த டெப்ட்க்கு ஈக்விட்டி, ஆஃப்டர் பைபேக் ஆல்சோ டெப்ட் இஸ் கோயிங் டு பி சேம். வாட் ஷுட் பி தி ஈக்விட்டின்னு சொல்லி கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா?
Sir.
எஸ் ஆர் நோ? எவ்ரிவன்?
Yes, sir.
அப்ப present equity or shareholders fund. இப்ப என்ன இருக்கு காசு? கிளியரா? மைனஸ் மினிமம் ஆர் ஃபியூச்சர் equity. Present equity minus minimum or future equity. You know what is present equity? That is nothing but shareholders fund. Correct, Appa?
Yes, sir.
What will be the future equity or minimum equity? கண்டுபிடிக்கணுமா?
Yes, sir.
எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்பீங்க?
50% of debt.
50% of?
Debt.
Exactly. So total debt divided by 2. இதுதானே மினிமம் ஈக்விட்டி இருக்கணும். இப்படி இருந்தா டெப்ட் ஈக்விட்டி சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை ஆயிடலாமா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
புரியுதா இல்லையா? என்னோட கனெக்ஷன் இப்ப புரியுதா இல்லையா?
Sir.
See, maximum or fund available for buyback. A minus B. இது உங்களுக்கு கையில காசு இருக்கிறது. கரெக்டா? D.
Yes, sir.
D. As I told you, two different issues are there. Buyback out of fresh issue of capital or free reserves. Correct, Appa? Out
sir.
of fresh issue of share capital, then you have to write buyback price only. Free reserves அப்படின்னா buyback price plus face value of bought back price. Correct? Because there is a condition. சொல்லுமா
Yes,
இந்த
sir.
காசை வந்து கம்ப்ளீட்டா பைபேக் மட்டும் யூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது, திரும்பி போறதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணும். இங்க பைபேக்கு இது சிஆர்ஆருக்கு டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்றதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுமா?
Yes.
கிளியரா நாட் கிளியரா?
Yes, sir.
Okay, அப்ப buyback out of fresh issue capital only divided by buyback price, or otherwise divided by buyback price plus a face value bought back size, because that amount we need to transfer to CRR. Pakka. Maximum number of shares can buy back. C divided by D. Dங்கிறது maybe this or maybe this. கரெக்டாப்பா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
அவ்வளோதான்ப்பா, ஃபார்முலா முடிஞ்சது. இதை தான் ஈக்குவேஷனாக போட்டிருப்பாங்க இன் மெனி புக்ஸ் ஆர் இன்ஸ்டியூட் மெட்டீரியல் ஆல்சோ. ஆர் யூ கிளியர் வித் திஸ் டிஸ்கஷனா?
Yes, sir.
பர்ஃபெக்டா? பர்ஃபெக்டாமா?
Sir.
Okay, please give me the summary, ma. 3 test. Test number 1.
Number of shares.
Share outstanding.
Sorry, ma. Test number 1. Share outstanding test formula. Number of shares outstanding into 25%. Correct? Test
Sir.
number 2. Shareholders fund into 25% divided by buyback price. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Test number 3. This formula. Yes or no? Or equation. I don't like equation. If you wish to follow equation, you can follow the material. I say material, that equation would have been given. But I personally feel that this is an easy way to understand.
Sir.
Have you understood all the issues which I discussed with you, my dear friends?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
You have full control.
Yes, sir.
Shall I go to a few problem in the chapter now?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we'll go to the chapter now. Buyback. Yeah. You can see all those things. Condition, approval, whatever I discussed with you, everything you can see in the material, theory material. One thing which I forgot to tell you, I will be teaching you that also. This is a journal entry. You can write the journal entry also, my dear friends. Please write the journal entry. Before writing the journal entry, once again be online. We'll have a clarity to this before writing a journal entry. Listen, friends, I told you the total debt to know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we will understand what are the things will come under total debt. Total debt. Total debt means includes, excludes all long-term debt. All long-term debt. Current maturities of long-term debt. Exclude current liability like sundry, creditors, short-term liability, etc. Because this short-term liability like sundry, creditors, etc. will always keep on change. Correct, Appa? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
So please understand one word, current maturities of long-term borrowing. I hope you know what is by current and non-current. If something is going to be matured within 12 months from the end of reporting period, even though that is a long-term liability, we will be classifying under current liability. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But that is the current maturities of long-term borrowing. That needs to be considered. That needs to be considered. Is it clear?
Yes.
Tell me the journal entries, ma. Buyback பண்றதுக்கு. Journal entry. Journal entry. Sorry.
Equity share capital.
Equity says buyback account debit to bank.
Sir.
You can write this journal entry. You can write this journal entry in your notebook. Equity says buyback account debit to bank. அதை கேன்சல் பண்றதுக்கு என்ட்ரி என்னன்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா ஈக்விட்டி ஷேர் கேபிட்டல் அக்கௌண்ட் டெபிட், செக்யூரிட்டி பிரீமியம் அக்கௌண்ட் டெபிட் டு equity shares bought back account. 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 Then you have to transfer to CRR account, no?
Yes, sir.
So அதுக்கு revenue reserve or P&L எதுல balance இருக்கோ that account debit to CRR.
Sir, security stream use பண்ணலாமா சார்?
Security premium எடுத்துக்கலாம். Clear, Appa? Shall I go to the problem now?
Yes, sir.
I like to do some problem. I'll tell you what is that. I like to do problem number 1 and 2. That will give the full clarity. 1 and 2. And the third problem is different problem. That's easy problem. See, there are two different types of the problem. Is there one, they may ask you to compute what is the maximum number of shares which I can buy back. The another type of the problem, they may say that I have already purchased the shares. I have bought back the shares. You please go and simply pause the journal entry and prepare the balance sheet. புரியுதாமா? ஒன்னு வந்து எவ்வளவு பைபேக் பண்ணலாம்னு சொல்லி ஒன்னு டெஸ்ட் பண்ண சொல்லுவாங்க. இன்னொன்னு வந்து நான் ஆல்ரெடி பைபேக் பண்ணிட்டேன். அதுக்கான journal entry balance sheet மட்டும் போடுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now please go and read problem number 1. Problem number 1. Problem number 1. Otherwise, I will be sharing with you. Problem number 1. There is a group. Problem 1. Kindly read problem 1. Then I will be sharing with you problem number 2 also. So most probably you will be receiving the material today. I go by shared problem number 1 and 2. Kindly read problem number 1 and 2. Okay, have you read problem 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall I go to the answer?
Yes, sir. We go.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So see that question, they very clearly given. There is a balance sheet which is given in the question. Balance sheet is given in the question. Then you can see that shareholders fund, equity share capital, reserves and surplus, revenue reserves, security premium, P&L. Can I use all these three reserves? Revenue reserves, equity premium, capital, P&L.
Yes, sir. Pre-reserves we get.
Yeah, exactly. Non-current liability, debenture, unsecured loan. Can I take these two items under debt?
Yes, sir.
Can I take another one? Current liabilities. Current liabilities of long-term borrowing.
Yes.
Yes. Suppose within the bracket that long-term borrowing word is not given, I'm not supposed to take. Clear? Huh?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, good, good. The company wants to buy back 25,000 equity shares of 10 each on 1st April 2012, 20 per share. Buyback of shares is duly authorized by its articles and necessary resolution is passed towards this. The payment for buyback of shares will be made out of the bank balance which is available in the current assets. Okay, command whether it is possible or not possible as per the Companies Act 2013. Yes or no? Everybody.
Yes.
Okay, so can you please tell me what is the first test?
Share.
Second test?
Research test.
Third test?
Test.
Okay, now please see the screen. I hope you can able to see Excel sheet.
Sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is the way you must present when it comes to examination. Okay, just listen. I will give the time to copy the answer. Computation of maximum number of shares can buy back. That should be least of the following, Amma. Hello.
Sir.
That should be least of the following. Okay. Now. So first one, particulars working note reference SAS. This is where you have to construct your working note also. So alphabet A, share outstanding test. Alphabet B, resource test. Alphabet C, debt equity test. Alphabet D, maximum number of shares can buy back. Pakka?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now listen. Kindly come and listen this. Yeah. So first and for sorry. What happened to Excel sheet? So now you can see that test number 1, share outstanding test into share outstanding test into 25%.
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me how many number of shares is outstanding?
1,25,000 shares.
Everyone, are you connected here?
Sir.
Yeah.
So 1,25,000 shares into 25%, which comes to 31,250 shares.
Yes, sir.
So that is the number which I have written here in the table. Share outstanding test, working note reference 1, 31,250 shares. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Resource test. Number 2 is a resource test.
Yes, sir.
I hope you can able to see in your screen also the working note number 2.
Sir.
So share capital. எவ்வளவு share capital இருக்கு balance sheetல?
12,50,000.
12,50,000. Revenue reserve.
15 lakhs.
Security premium.
2,50,000.
P&L. I can consider all reserve because I don't have any fixed reserve in the given problem. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
So total shareholders funds equal to 31,25,000.
Yes, sir. 31,25,000.
Everybody, do the
Yeah.
computation simultaneously. Are you getting 31,25,000?
Yes, sir.
So 25% தான் இதுல எடுத்துக்கணுமா? Formula தானே total shareholders fund into 25% தானே?
Yes, sir.
So in that if I take 25%, I will be getting 7,81,250. Please go and check.
Yes, sir.
Then this is the formula as per this test. But as per test number 1, the result is a number of shares. So as per test number 2 also the result should be number of shares.
Yes, sir. Divided by buyback.
Can you please go and check the buyback price which is given in the question?
20 per share.
Yeah. So if you go and divide by 20, you will be getting that number of shares can buy back as per this test 39,063.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will be taking this 39,063. Here I not written working note. You can write working note also. Working note 2. Sorry. Working note 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This is working note 3. Shall I go to working note 3? I think working note 1 or working note 2 or test number 1 and test number 2 will be very easy.
Yes, sir.
Go to test number 3. Debt to equity test.
Yes, sir.
I hope you learned the different formula. You can't see this formula anywhere. I mean, and say material they would have used the equation. You please go and check both the answer and come to know which is easy method. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Present equity is nothing but we are already computed for the purpose of test number 2. Total shareholders fund is nothing but present equity. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Total shareholders fund is 31,25,000.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Take that number here. Present equity is equal to 31,25,000.
Yes, sir.
And you have to take minimum equity or future equity.
Yes, sir.
What is the formula for that?
Total debt divided by 2.
Have I written the formula also here?
Yes,
Now
sir.
I have to find out total debt. Am I everyone connected? I'm going little
Yes,
fast
sir.
because I have already discussed very detailing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, total debt. 12% debentures I must take. Unsecured loan I must take. Current
Correct.
liabilities of long-term borrowing I must take.
Yes, sir.
Then total debt which comes to 45,25,000 if you add it together everything.
Yes, sir.
So half of that which comes to 22,62,500.
Yes, sir.
Everybody
Yes, sir.
take this number here. 22,62,500. Correct, Appa?
Yes, sir.
அப்ப அவைலபிள் இப்ப இருக்கிறதுல இருந்து எவ்வளவு வச்சிருக்கணுங்கிறத எடுத்துட்டு பேலன்ஸ் மைனஸ் பண்ணலாமா?
Yes, sir.
பண்ணிட்ட உங்ககிட்ட எவ்வளவு கிடைக்குது?
8,52,500.
இப்போ டி போடும்போது யூ ஷுட் பி கேர்ஃபுல். இது அவுட் ஆஃப் ரெசிஷன்ல இருந்து பைபேக் பண்றாங்களா இல்ல ஃப்ரீ ரிசர்வா இல்ல கொஸ்டின்ல கொடுக்கலையான்னு பார்க்கணுமா?
Yes, sir.
பாருங்க என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்க, கொஸ்டின்ல ஏதாவது சொல்லிருக்காங்களா?
No, sir.
அவுட் ஆஃப் ரிசர்வ்ஸ் நம்ம எடுத்துக்கணுமா? அதான அசம்ஷன்.
Yes, sir.
அப்ப பைபேக் பிரைஸ் மட்டும் எடுத்துக்கீங்களா இல்ல ஃபேஸ் வேல்யூ எடுத்துக்கீங்களா?
Face value.
ஏன் ஃபேஸ் வேல்யூ எடுத்துக்கிறீங்க?
CRR க்கு transfer பண்ண.
எக்ஸாக்ட்லி. சோ 20 plus 30 20 plus 10 எடுத்துக்கணுமா?
Yes, sir.
அப்ப போட்டோம்னா எவ்வளவு சார் ஒரு 30 rupees வருதா?
Yes, sir.
அப்ப எவ்வளவு பைபேக் பண்ணலாம்?
28,750 shares.
Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Do you feel the third formula also is very simple after learning this concept?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay, I hope இன்ஸ்டிட்யூட்ல பாத்துக்கிங்களா நீங்க?
Equation போட்டுருப்பாங்க.
எது ஈஸியா இருக்கு?
Yes, sir.
இது உங்களுக்கு பிரச்சனை இல்லை. because I'm not a max student, I don't like max. That is reason even in our class max 90% 95% எங்க ஈக்குவேஷன் அதுக்கு ஒரு ஆல்டர்னேட்டிவ் வெச்சிருவோம். Don't worry. Okay. So I feel this is very easy and very easy to keep in your mind also the example which I gave to you. Savings bank account, minimum balance maintain பண்ணனும். இதெல்லாம் ஈஸியா வெச்சுக்கலாம்மா?
Yes, sir.
So this test, after learning this concept, I hope so the third test will never be tough for you.
Yes, sir.
So come here, 28,750. Third test note result adanama?
Yes, sir.
Which is least ma?
28,750.
Company எவ்வளவுமா வாங்கணும்னு சொல்றான்?
25,000.
அப்ப இதுக்கு கன்க்ளூஷன் எழுதணும். எழுதலனா 2 மார்க்ஸ் போச்சு. இது நீங்க எழுதுனீங்கன்னா 2 மார்க்ஸ், எழுதலனா 2 மார்க்ஸ் கிடைக்காது. ஏன்னா வாங்கலாமா வாங்க முடியாதான்னு கேக்குறான். கரெக்ட்டா? நீங்க இதோட போட்டு விட்டுட்டு வந்துட்டீங்கன்னா you will never get full marks. புரியுதா?
Okay, sir.
In the present case, company wants to buy back 25,000 equity shares. It is very well within the provision of Companies Act 2013. Because as per the provision of Companies Act 2013, company can buy back 28,750 shares. Whereas it wants to buy back only 25,000 shares. It can. Pakka?
Yes, sir.
So, can you go and copy this?
Yes, sir.
Quickly copy. I have to complete problem number 2 also. So, make it fast. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Shall I move to working note 1, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Complete working note 1 and 2. Once you are copied, let me know. I move this screen.
Sir, completed.
Completed. Everyone, ma?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Good, good. Go ahead with this. Once you complete, let me know. Once you complete this session, let me know. I'll move the slides. Go ahead. Very important problem. I think twice or thrice tested in the examination also. I think working on 2 is completed. Go here. I'll do one more problem before lunch, then I will go to the next topic. Over. Copy down. In our regular class, we'll be doing like this only. And not like this, of course. It will take a lot of time to discuss other things, but everything is covered. Only thing is, I will make the students do the problem. Here, that is not possible because it's a revision class. You can copy this journal entry. I have already explained to you. Then the balance sheet will be the homework, the small balance sheet. Make it a little fast and complete this journal entry. The next problem also which I am going to discuss with you is very easy only, but in the different way. I think more than thrice I've been tested in the examination also. Once you completed with this, leave 2 pages gap. 1 page for balance sheet, another page for writing notes to accounts. If I'm not wrong, in the question, they would have asked you to write notes to accounts also, correct? Correct, Iliyappa? Make it fast, make it fast. Copy down.
Yes, sir.
Shall I go to problem number 2?
Sir.
Okay. Go to problem number 2. Problem number 2. Okay. So there is a company, Petroc Limited is a non-listed company, has a following capital structure. As on 31/3/2011, the balance sheet also is given to you. Now, equity share capital amount in crores, 330 crores is given. So 330 crores divided by 10 face value will give you 33 crores. Reserves and surplus, general reserves, equity premium, profit and loss account, infrastructure development reserve. There are 4 reserves are there, but out of 4 reserves, 3 reserves are free reserves, 1 reserves are not free reserve. Can you please tell me that?
Infrastructure development reserve.
Infrastructure development.
Exactly. All other 3 reserves can be considered. Friends, my voice is very well audible only, no?
Yes, sir.
Which is better? Everyone. This itself is better than the previous one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have a problem, let me know. I will use the earphone. Now, the loan fund is 1,800. Very simple way. Loan fund is 1,800. The shareholders of Petroc Limited, on the recommendation of their board of directors, have approved on 12/9/2011 a proposal to buy a maximum number of shares. Correct, appa? Maximum permissible number of equity shares considering large surplus fund available at the disposal of the company. The prevailing market value of the company's share is 25 per share, and in order to induce the existing shareholders to offer their shares for buyback, it was decided to offer a price of 20% over market. Say for example, in the market, the 25 rupees is the price. நான் போயிட்டு 25 rupees கொடுக்குறேன்னு நீ சேல் பண்ணுவியா இல்ல அப்புறமா சேல் பண்ணலாமான்னு யோசிப்பியா? You may think that why I have to sell now? Market also 25, you are also giving 25. Let me wait and sell. Yes or no? If I come and say that I will give you 20% over the market value, you may be immediately thinking that, oh, he is giving me 20% extra market value. Okay, we will sell. ஒரு 2 months அப்புறம் சேல் பண்ணலாம் நினைச்சிருந்தா கூட இப்பயே சேல் பண்ணலாம்ங்கற ஒரு இது வரும். Yes or no, Papa?
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason they are offering buyback price 20% more than the market price. So 25 plus 20%, if I'm not wrong, that will give you 5. So 25 plus 5, 30 rupees is the buyback price. Correct?
Yes, sir.
You are also informed that the infrastructure reserve is created to satisfy income tax requirement. Hence, you are not supposed to take that particular reserve. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But you are required to compute the maximum number of shares that can be bought back in the light of the above information, and also under situation where loan fund of the company were either 1,200 crores or 1,500 crores. So loan fund is 3 different scenarios. 1,800 crores what to do, 1,200 crores what to do, 1,500 crores what to do. Correct, Appa?
Yes, sir.
Assuming that the entire buyback is completed by 19/12/2011, so the accounting entries in the company's books in each scenario or situation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how many answers?
3 answers, sir.
3 into 3 different tests, 9 tests, correct?
Yes, sir.
9 working note or only 4 working note? 4 working note. Friends, test number 1, test number 2, loan fund மாறுச்சுனா மாறுமா மாறாதா?
மாறும் sir.
loan ஃபண்டுக்கும் டெஸ்ட் நம்பர் 1க்கும் 2க்கும் ஏதாவது ரிலேஷன்ஷிப் இருக்கா இல்லையா?
No, sir.
இல்ல sir.
Not at all. So either loan fund is 1800 crores or 1200 crores or 1500 crores, the test number 1 result and test number 2 result is going to be same for all 3 different scenarios. Correct?
Correct.
Only test number 3 is going to be changed. Because in test number 3, debt divided by equity. So debt 1800 crores na vera mari answer varum, 1200 crores na different answer varum, 1500 crores na different answer varum. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
But test number 1 and test number 2 is going to be same even if loan fund is 1800 or 1200 or 1500 or whatever may be. Because loan fund will never impact test number 1 and 2. புரிஞ்சுதாப்பா?
Yes, sir.
Come to the answer. So the same way, computation of maximum number of cells can buy back. I hope you can see my Excel sheet.
Yes, sir.
So you can see that. Okay, you can see now. Yeah, SAR outstanding test, resource test, debt to equity test, maximum number of cells can buy back. Working note reference. இங்க வந்து additional 2 columns add பண்ணிருப்பேன். ஏன்னா if loan fund is 1800 crores, what to do? 1200 crores, what to do? 1500 crores, what to do? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now SAR outstanding test is going to be common for all 3 different scenarios if I'm not wrong. Yes or no?
Yes,
SAR
sir.
outstanding test is going to be same for all 3 different situation. Yes or no, Papa?
Yes.
So number of SARs outstanding into 25% for all 3 situations. The answer is going to be same. 33 crores SARs, 330 crores share capital divided by face value 10. That will give you 33 crores SARs into 25%. Correct?
Yes, sir.
That gives how much? 8.25 crores.
Yes, sir.
Sollugama.
Yes.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
So like go and write SAR outstanding test for all 3 different scenarios. 8.25, 8.25, 8.25.
Yes, sir.
Like go to next test, man.
Sir.
Test number 2, research test. SAR capital, general reserve, security premium, P&L. I'm not supposed to take infrastructure development reserve. Correct?
Correct, sir.
Total shareholders fund is 750 crores.
Yes, sir.
25% on that, 187.5.
Yes, sir.
Buyback price, as I discussed with you, 30 rupee. 25 plus 25%, that is 5. 25 plus 5, 30. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what is the maximum number of shares which you can buy back as per this test?
187.5 divided by
30, which comes to
6.25 crore.
this will be the answer for all 3 different scenarios.
Sir.
sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I took this number and written here for all 3 different situations. 6.25, 6.25, 6.25. Pakka?
Yes, sir.
So first 2 test is not at all difficult or complication because of 3 different situations, because it's same answer. Correct, Appa?
Sir.
Shall I go to 3rd test? Everybody.
Okay, sir.
Debt equity test. I suppose to have a 3 column. Particulars, loan fund 1800 crores, 1200 crores, 1500 crores. Present equity or total shareholders fund. Okay. You know that is same answer for all 3 different scenarios which we computed for test number 2, 750 crores. Am I right or wrong?
Sir.
Everyone. Clear? Chulia.
Sir.
Less minimum equity. Minimum equity you know very well. Total debt divided by 2. Total debt is 1800 crores. Divided by 2 will give you 900 crores. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This next scenario 1200 crores is a total debt divided by 2 will give you 600 crores. In the third scenario 750 crores. 1500 divided by 2, 750. Correct?
Sir.
So fund or reserve available for buyback. First scenario negative. Buyback பண்ண முடியாது. Already negative. கரெக்டா?
Yes, sir.
750 தான் இருக்கு, 900 தேவைப்படுது. மினிமம் 900 இருக்கணும். ஆல்ரெடி ஷார்டேஜா தான் இருக்கு, கரெக்டா?
Sir.
செகண்ட் சினாரியோ 750 இருக்கு, பட் 600 இருந்தா போதும். அப்போ 150 எக்ஸஸா இருக்கா?
Yes, sir.
தேர்ட் சினாரியோ 750 இருக்கணும், இப்போ இருக்கிறது 750 தான். So I can't use anything, zero.
Okay.
So buyback is possible only if loan fund is 1200 crores. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சினாரியோ ஆல்ரெடி ஷார்டேஜா இருக்கு, தேர்ட் சினாரியோல கரெக்டா போயிடுச்சு, எதுவுமே எடுக்க முடியாது. செகண்ட் சினாரியோல மட்டும் தான் 150 crores எடுக்க முடியும். Am I right?
Yes, sir.
150.
Buyback is out of capital or out of reserves. எதுவுமே கொடுக்கல அவுட் ஆஃப் ரிசர்வ்ஸ்.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I go and divide this 150 crores simply by buyback price, or should I take face value buyback size also?
Reserves of face value.
Why? What is the purpose?
So because it's from reserves.
Sorry?
So,
Transfer.
capital
Can
insurance,
transfer
sir.
to CRR. Pakka.
Yes, sir.
So I must divide by 30 plus 10, 40.
Okay, sir.
So which comes to 3.75.
Yes, sir.
Now we can go to the main answer. Debt equity test 1800 crores. I can't buy back anything, zero. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Second scenario, I can buy back 3.75.
Okay, sir.
Third scenario, zero. Clear, Abba?
Yes, sir.
So after doing this, you know the journal entry, those normal 3 journal entry which was supposed to. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now please go ahead and copy this answer. Has anyone received the courier, ma? Not yet, right? Go ahead, copy this answer. Once you copy, let me know. Courier அனுப்பிச்சிட்டாங்களாமா? Okay. So have you copied that main table, ma?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll move a little bit. I'll go to our keynote 1. Now you can copy your keynote 1 and 2. Have you completed? Have you completed till working out 2 more? Hello?
No, sir. Writing, sir.
Okay. Please go ahead. Copied, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please go and write the journal entry also. Once you copy the journal entry, let me know.
Sir, last entry general reserve to capital redemption reserve, then, sir.
Yeah. Capital redemption is only. That's wrongly written.
Sir,
Redemption.
completed, sir.
Okay. Redemption is on.
Completed, sir.
Completed. Everyone?
Sir,
Okay. So this is all about buyback of shares. I hope you're clear with buyback of shares now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Do you have full confidence with buyback of shares?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So if at all question comes, don't leave it. If at all நல்ல கண்டிப்பா ஒரு questions வரும். சரிங்களா?
Okay.
So we'll break it now. We'll meet again at 2:30. Okay, 2:30 only, right?
Yes, sir.
2:30 we'll decide what will be the next topic. Okay. Go and
Okay.
have a healthy lunch, not heavy lunch.
Okay, sir.
Okay, take care. Bye.